Today there is a video which is not related to from 0 to 200, but as investor I have this feeling. I understand that people think that generative AI is in now and a hype, but people don't understand, don't it's not capable to segment two topics: financial hype with the potential of a technology. I don't care if Nvidia trade 45 times the revenues. This is financial. What I really want to prove is that this technology is disrupting everything. And when in the past there were 10 startups that can build something and it takes millions, now a boomer like me can build a very basic skill assessment system, full automated, in 2 hours when is at home, bored with fever. I have fever today. I mean, a little bit of cold. I'm old. Let me show you what I have built. I think that in this industry there is this gap: informal skill assessment evaluation, which is very useful because when you know which kind of skill gaps you have, you can train people. So the first thing you need to do is to save all the conversation that happen in the organization. And what I have done, I have opened this Zapier, which is a workflow system, and I started populating with two data. Read.ai, where I usually save all of my conversations, email thread, whatever. Here are different conversation with my friends on Lumify, other people. And this is done just creating the trigger where every time there is a conversation on read.ai, the text transcript goes to a specific file, which is in this very scrappy proof of concept, which is very stupid. It's not. I understand that you are a software engineer, you get crazy because I'm saving data on Google Docs, but I don't care. It was just a proof of concept made in 2 hours. And then what I've done, it's another populating data of Zendesk tickets in the same data lake. I call data lake a Google Docs. I understand you're gonna kill me now. Uh, so every conversation is updated. Okay. So what happened after this? I have organized those two in Google Docs. Those a folder with there are Claudio Erba skill report and Claudio Erba rag, which is by the way wrong because it's data lake, pseudo data lake. So what I'm doing, the outcome is that this is a conversation I had in Read with a company of good friends called Lumify, and I have saved this into this data lake. So what I have done after, I have created this workflow that said that every month Zapier launch a routine that goes into my document and analyze the text, sending to ChatGPT. ChatGPT run a skill assessment and write my skill assessment docs. The outcome is like this. This is my skill assessment. Of course, it's not well formatted. I had to ask to Gemini what I want to prove with this scrappy proof of concept is that there are companies that to do this they've raised $50 million, okay, and good luck on paying back the investors when generative AI is lowering the barrier up to myself, boomer, not a coder, retired chief retired officer and chief innovation officer in Docebo. Imagine how this can disrupt. And by the way, this is, I'm not saying enough for a small business skill assessment, it's not. But I worked only 2 hours with the fever. So, what I wanted to prove today is that the barrier of the entrance barrier of this technology, generative AI, is crazy, crazy low. Good luck and have fun building things. We are changing the world, literally.